Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the region in the Victoria's Secret MENA application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the My Account button. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the Regional Settings section, click on the Change Region and Language button. And as you can see, there are 4 regions you can choose from. So just click on the one that you want to use, and then click on the Save button. And your region is now set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.